Hello, children! This week we're learning about the letter B. Can you think of words that start with the letter B? Good! You're right! Ball, bear, balloon. There are lots of words that start with the letter B. Look at this cute little dog. What is she chasing? It's a butterfly. Our color of the week is brown. What can you think of that's brown? That's right. Potatoes are brown. Cows are brown. This week, our number is the number 3. It's very easy to draw the number 3. And we are also going to write the word 3. See, that was pretty easy. Our shape is a half circle. Can you think of things that look like a half circle? How about a half moon? Or half a pizza? Our sight words are big, blue, are, and at. Why don't you try to make sentences including these words? Have fun and have a great week.